Let me know when you're ready. Go ahead and start it.
All right.
It's on? Okay. All right, James, so to reset this machine, we're going to push the M button here, and we're going to hold it until it makes 3 beeps. 1, 2, 3. We're going to push arrow down. We're going to go to number 13, data initialization. We're going to go to number 3, hold data. Initialize yes or no. We're going to push enter. That means turn the machine off, so I'm going to physically turn off the machine here. We're going to wait about 5 seconds. We're going to turn it back on. And then the first screen it's going to take us to, it's for the, excuse me, for the language selection. So we're going to push English, obviously, where you can put whatever you want. So English, enter, and then push that reset, and there we go. So now it's set the machine back to factory settings. And I'll shoot that over to YouTube for you in about 2 minutes.